The 2025 Volvo XC60 is a compact luxury SUV that combines Scandinavian elegance, modern technology, and a smooth driving experience. With its clean design and premium features, the XC60 stands out in a highly competitive segment. Its signature look includes the iconic Thor's Hammer daytime running lights and a refined body style that emphasizes simplicity and class. Inside, the cabin features Nordic-inspired seats, premium materials, and spacious seating for both front and rear passengers. The overall design reflects Volvo's focus on comfort, safety, and understated luxury. Buyers can choose between two powertrain options. The B5 model comes with a turbocharged 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, supported by a 48-volt mild hybrid system. It produces 247 horsepower and is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. This setup delivers steady acceleration and confident handling. Volvo estimates the 0 to 60 miles per hour time to be 6.5 seconds. While it is not the most powerful in its class, the XC60 offers a smooth and controlled ride, though some road imperfections can still be felt. For those looking for more power and improved efficiency, Volvo offers a T8 plug-in hybrid model, which is reviewed separately. The B5 engine is rated for approximately 22 miles per gallon in the city and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. Real-world results may vary, but these figures are competitive for a luxury SUV in this category. Inside the XC60, you will find a cabin designed with attention to detail. Clean lines, high-quality finishes, and intuitive controls create an inviting environment. The front and rear seats offer generous legroom, and the driving position provides excellent visibility. While the cargo area is not the largest in its class, it is practical for everyday use and long-distance travel. With the rear seats folded down, it can hold up to 20 carry-on suitcases. However, smaller storage spaces throughout the cabin are somewhat limited. The technology experience in the XC60 centers on a 9-inch touchscreen that runs Volvo's Google-based infotainment system. It includes voice commands via Google Assistant and allows for personalization. The system supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, and includes a Wi-Fi hotspot powered by a 4th-generation data connection. While the interface is responsive, new users may need time to get used to the menu structure. For the 2025 model year, Volvo has made only minor updates. Trim levels have been renamed, with the former Ultimate trim now called Ultra. Pricing starts at $48,345 and can reach up to $59,395 depending on the selected configuration. The mid-level Plus trim offers the best value, including 19-inch wheels, a 360-degree camera, front and rear parking sensors, and adaptive cruise control with lane keeping assist. The 2025 Volvo XC60 may not deliver the same performance excitement as some of its German rivals, but it offers a calm, refined, and practical driving experience.